Here I see a frog here. It's a baby frog, but bigger than my thumbnail. Hello froggy. Yeah, so cute here. Stay here on my hand, yeah. Little cute frog. Come out after rain. Okay, thank you. Stay back. I'm not gonna hurt you. Bye bye. And over here I see another frog. This frog is the same size as the first one, but he is the adult frog. The first one is baby frog. This one adult frog. It's big mommy frog. And over here is my old friend. Still stay here. She's looking at me. The big toad. Hello toad. Oh, the toad is here, having his favorite dinner here, favorite food here. Coming for this. Okay, let's enjoy. Bye bye. And over here is another frog.